Hello, peace family. All right, it's Amina back at it again. All right, I love y'all. So this message is about purpose. Remember that divine agape love I talked about? Well, because I truly believe that the desires of your heart are inspired by God. Now that is if you are God connected. And I feel that is necessary for all success. And this is not the first video I said that in, but I've said that before and I will continue to say it because I believe that God is the author, orchestrator of our lives. And that's the reason why my corporation goes by that acronym, because nothing can happen without God. So with that said, how do you know your purpose? You know your purpose because it's written in your heart. That is how God speaks to you, and not your feelings heart. The real heart of man is manifest in his mind. That is how the Lord is communicating with you. Now, I want you to tap in and to understand. For me personally, my destiny is tied to wealth creation and helping others live their desires to the fullest. Their God-given desires, that is. If you have a plan and purpose for your life, and I believe if you're a divine being, you sure do. And if you have a plan and purpose for your life, it is your call to live it. And I want to see you live it. I want to encourage you to live it. And I will give you the tools and the resources and the coaching, guys. This is what I love to do, and I would love to help you. So with that said, I want to paint pictures clearly. There's some scripture I'm about to introduce. But before I do, I want to say this. Wealth is created through a period on average of 5 to 10 years. And I mean, it takes about 5 to 10 years to be a millionaire. And let's say if you have $1 million, I'm pretty sure you can make it multiply past that. So I want to set your expectations realistically. 5 to 10 years is not that long. If you're very young, it might seem a lot longer, but it really isn't. The thing is, we want to get you on the path to wealth creation. So I'm going to end this with the Lord's word because I think it's much greater than mine. This comes from the Bible, and it's Proverbs 16:1-3. The preparations of the heart in man and the answer of the tongue is from the Lord. All the ways of a man are clean in his own eyes, but the Lord weighs the spirits. So, Lord knows. Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. So what does that mean, guys? What God wants for you is written in your heart, and that's not from me, that's from Proverbs. And if you commit what you're doing for the glorification of the Lord, you will be successful. So with that said, I love you with that agape love again, y'all. Peace, family.